Once upon a time, in a vast African savannah, lived a small meerkat named Mimi. Mimi was not like the other meerkats. She was the tiniest one in her family, and she dreamed of doing something extraordinary. One day, while basking in the warm African sun, Mimi overheard the other meerkats talking about a great race that would take place in the nearby hill. The race was for the bravest meerkats, and the winner would be rewarded with a special treat. Mimi's heart fluttered with excitement. She had always wanted to prove to everyone that she was not too small to do great things. With a determined look in her eyes, she decided to join the race. The next morning, Mimi woke up early and started training. She ran, she climbed, she jumped, and she even practiced digging holes in the sand. She worked hard every day, and her determination grew stronger. The day of the race finally arrived. All the brave meerkats gathered at the foot of the hill, ready to run. Mimi stood at the back, feeling a little nervous but filled with courage. On the count of 3, the race began. The meerkats sprinted up the hill, their determination evident in their every step. Mimi, though small, ran with all her might. She didn't give up, even when her legs felt heavy and her breath grew short. As the race reached its peak, Mimi found herself right behind the leader, a strong and imposing meerkat named Max. Determined not to lose, Mimi mustered all her strength and sprinted forward. In the final moments, Mimi overtook Max and reached the top of the hill first. The other meerkats cheered, amazed by the tiny meerkat's determination and speed. Mimi had done it. She had proven to everyone that size doesn't matter when it comes to dreams. The reward was a delicious treat of juicy termites, which Mimi shared with her family and friends. From that day forward, Mimi was no longer just the smallest meerkat. She was the bravest, the fastest, and the most determined. She had shown everyone that with hard work and a big dream, even the smallest can achieve the extraordinary. And so, Mimi lived happily in her savannah, inspiring all the meerkats with her story. She proved that dreams are not limited by size, and that every meerkat, big or small, can achieve great things. The end.